Okay, we're here today with number 27 of practice test 4, module 1. Arguably the hardest problem in this module. Function f is defined by f of x equals negative a to the power of x plus b, where a and b are constants in the xy plane. The graph of y equals f of x minus 15, which has a y-intercept of 0 and negative 99 over 7. The product of a and b is provided to us as 65 over 7. We are tasked with finding the value of a. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is we are given f of x, and then we are given y. We can plug in f of x directly to our y equation. And now that we've gone ahead and done that, we can start working with the y-intercept. So what happens when we have a y-intercept? That means x is equal to 0 because we are crossing over the y-axis. So now, because we know that negative a is 0, we can just treat a to the power of 0 as its own thing, regardless of what a is, because to the power of 0, it will be 1. Okay? So we have 1, b minus 15. I apologize for my handwriting. So we have y is equal to b minus 16. Okay? And now we're told that this intercept, this y-intercept, is equal to negative 99 over 7. So we have b minus 16 is equal to 99 over 7. Sorry, negative 99 over 7. Now we go ahead and isolate b 16 over 7, which is equal to 112. If you don't know, you just multiply 16 by 7 to get it into the form with a denominator of 7. Now we have found b. b is 13 over 7. All it's left for us to do is to use the product we have been given here earlier at the beginning to find what's left. So we don't have a, so we'll write out a times 13 over 7 equals 65 over 7. Now, what do we need a to be for this to work? Well, we can see that this is 5 times smaller than this, right? So all we need is we need a to equal 35 over 7, right? Because if it equals 35 over 7, it is equivalent to 5. Because we multiply 5 by 13 over 7, we get 65 over 7.